What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Moon Knight series comes out today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make a Moon Knight pizza. This recipe is based on the recipe in the Marvel Eat the Universe cookbook, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 3 vegan hot dogs, sliced, 2 plum tomatoes, cut into wedges, 1 white onion, diced, 16 ounces of pizza crust, 8 ounces of vegan shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of mustard, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. You also need some all-purpose flour for dusting, some dill pickle spears, sliced, some olive oil for brushing, some pepperoncinos, and some relish for serving. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Moon Knight pizza. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.